Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. In this tutorial, we will learn RegEx, regular expressions in Python with the help of few examples. Python regular expression. What is regular expression? The regular expression can be defined as the sequence of characters which are used to search for a pattern in a string. The module provides the support to use regex in the Python program. The module throws an exception if there is some error while using the regular expression. The module must be imported to use the regex functionalities in Python. As simple as that, import RE. On the screen, you can see that regex functions used in Python are, so let's say match. This method matches the regex pattern in the string with the optional flag. It returns true if a match is found in the string, otherwise it returns false. And we have another one is search. This method returns the match object if there is a match found in the string. And third one we have find all. It returns a list that contains all the matches of a pattern in the string. And we have a split. It returns list in which the string has been split in each match. Sub. Replace one or many matches in the string. Forming a regular expression. A regular expression can be found by using the mix of meta characters, special sequence, and sets. What are meta characters? We have few meta characters on the screen. You can see it here. The meta character. Meta character, the square bracket, it represents a set of characters. So we can use that square brackets A to Z. And we have a forward slash, we have a dot, we have a return pattern, the beginning of the string, and so on. We can use this. So we have in a different tree. So we can capture and group. Right, you can go through with all those things. It's better to remember these special characters. Right. So we have a special sequence as well. Special sequence are the sequence containing characters. I'm like slash capital A. It returns a match if the specified characters are present at the beginning of the string. And slash B. It returns a match if the specified characters are present at the beginning of the end of the string. And slash capital B and slash D capital B. And these are the words so which we can check it out. Now we'll move on to find all function. This method returns a list containing a list of all matches of a pattern within the string. Returns the pattern in the order they are found. If there are no matches, then an empty list is returned. Now let's check this out in our example so that you guys can understand easily. Let's go to our Jupyter and no, this is RegEx. Now first we'll import RE. Import RE. Let's execute this and see whether the RE has been imported. Yes, it has been imported. If you see a star next to this number in this square bracket, that means the execution process is underway. Str is equal to how are you. How is everything. Matches is equal to re dot find all. How. Cr. So here print matches. Let's execute this and see. So we have an error. Find all missing one required positional argument is string. So what I have done here is this. We don't. Sorry, we have to cut this. It should be inside the bracket. Now we have how twice, and with the help of find all, re find all, we have finded the how twice, right? Now we'll move to next topic, that is the match object. The match object contains the information about the search and the output. If there is no match found, the none object is written. Match object methods, we have three methods: span, string, or group. We can use either of them. We'll discuss about the math object methods after we by seeing a small examples of the math object, right? So we'll go back to Jupyter Notebook and I'll copy this code to line, and you'll see matches. Let's see, we copy the complete code. So here, what I'm trying to do is type. I need to find out the type of the match. So we need one more close bracket here. Execute. This class is the least, right? And here I'll write one more line, print matches. Now, so we have a type matches, rematches. Sorry, here we need to change find all to. So find all, we have a class as a list. So once we change the find all, the class will be different. So I use the search and execute. So now here you can see that class is rematch, and the rematch second line of the code is spam 03 match how. Spam 03 and match is how. So 03 is 0, index 0, index 1, index 2, and index 3. We found how at index 0 and index 3. That's what it is, right? Right, guys. Now we have match object methods. Span. It returns the tuple containing the starting and end position of the match. String. It returns a string passed into the function. And the group. The part of the string is returned where the match is found. Let's check this out. Three of them, three of the object methods with an example. Here we have object methods. Import re str is equal to how are you, how is everything, doing something. Matches is equal equal to re dot search. We are searching for how re, sorry, gamma str. So we have str, and here print matches dot span. So we have print matches dot group. Now we have print matches dot string. Now we'll execute this code. IMP, sorry, spelling mistake. Now we have what we have. So first print spam is 0 0.3 spam, index 0, index 3, what I have explained in our last example. And how, the first one was how. In a string, when we are talking about a string, it displays the complete string. You can see it here. Right. Hope this is clear. So this is the end of the RegEx. I'm sure you guys understood all the concepts of RegEx. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. All right, we'll join you in next session. Take care. Bye bye.